What if I told you that the next budget flagship from Samsung could completely change what you expect from a mid-range smartphone in 2026? Yes, the all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is creating serious hype, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know before anyone else does, because this might be the smartest upgrade you make this year. Right from the first look, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to carry a premium design inspired by Samsung's flagship lineup, featuring a sleek glass back, a refined camera layout, and a super immersive 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate that feels incredibly smooth whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching content. And yes, brightness levels are expected to be significantly improved for outdoor use. But here's where things start getting really interesting, because Samsung is planning to pack this device with an upgraded chipset, likely from its latest Exynos series, delivering faster performance, better thermal management, and improved efficiency, meaning you can multitask, play heavy games, and use demanding apps without lag, and when combined with up to 12 GB RAM and fast storage, this phone is clearly aiming to dominate its segment. Now, let's talk about AI, because this is where the A57 5G could surprise everyone, as Samsung is expected to bring enhanced AI-powered features like smarter photo processing, real-time language translation, AI battery optimization, and even intelligent performance tuning that adapts to your daily usage, making the phone feel faster and more personal over time. Speaking of battery, rumors suggest a massive 5,000 mAh battery with optimized power efficiency, giving you all-day usage easily. And with fast charging support, you won't be stuck waiting around, which is something every user will appreciate. Now the camera system is another highlight, with a possible 50MP main sensor delivering sharp and vibrant photos, supported by ultra-wide and macro lenses, while improved night mode and AI enhancements could make low-light shots look stunning. And for selfie lovers, the front camera is also expected to get a noticeable upgrade for clearer and more detailed shots. But wait, because there's more that makes this phone even more exciting, including Samsung's latest One UI software based on Android, offering a smooth, customizable, and feature-rich experience, along with long-term software support that keeps your device secure and updated for years. Performance, design, battery, and AI all sound impressive, but the real question is, when is it launching? Based on previous trends, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to launch in early 2026, possibly around the first quarter, and if Samsung gets the pricing right, this device could easily become one of the best-selling phones of the year. Now here's the twist that most people are not talking about. Leaks suggest Samsung might introduce an exclusive feature in this model that could outperform even some flagship-level tools, and if that turns out to be true, this phone could completely redefine the mid-range category, so make sure you stay tuned because we'll update you the moment that surprise becomes official. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching because your support keeps this channel growing, and I've got more exciting tech updates coming your way very soon.